Welcome to Modern Hackers. Please subscribe and do not forget to like the video if you have enjoyed. Hello folks, this is an unboxing video of Italeri 3810 racing track and trailer with motorcycle kit. This is a large kit, it's a rare one. This is the first unboxing video I think over the internet. This kit from 2002, so it was sitting on the stash for a long time, and you will be able to see this is really an unopened one, so you can see all edges. This will be the first time we open it up, so it will be a real reaction video that I have never seen what is inside the kit. We might have some surprises on it. Let's see what is inside the box. Italeri putting these large seals to the boxes. You can make sure it is unopened if you buy similar one from any collector or eBay or from your own stash. Let's see what is inside. Oh, everything in an organized way. Can't believe this small motorcycle in it. The trailer part. And the large decals and the instruction manual. So let's see one by one. Some regional guarantee sheet, we don't need this. Some decals for the track, the Italeri Actros track 1843 edition. The huge decal sheet is laid out in the same layout like the decals are, probably to safeguard the decals. The decals in good shape, good condition. To me, it's still perfectly usable after 22 years making this kit. So I don't see any issues on the decal sheet. These large decals, you will need to incorporate this to the surface of the trailer. It's probably better to scan it earlier. Take a backup copy of that before you try to apply. But condition point of view, it's original condition to me. How about the user manual? You get multiple plastic frames, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, until G. You have them. How about assembling? It's not like a small booklet. It's a big plain paper, roughly at A0 size, so it's crazy big, or A1. You have to attach the frame, track frame first, the track engine, mount it. After that, the mudguards, the wheels, the cabin interiors. The big question whether you can assemble the whole cabin and after inject the interior, or you need to build up layered. It's a big question and surprise with this kit that you can't really understand from this picture, so it's only turns out when you build, when you can insert the inner side of the cabin, or you need to build around all elements on the cabin. So there's always an Easter egg. But based on this 14th diagram, to me it's buildable like that you build the outer side of the cabin and probably you insert the inner side. To me Yes, it's confirming to me. So you can do that way. Pretty detailed, as always. And until step 15, you build the track itself. And again, in the second part of the user manual, it's restarting with the trailer itself. You build the trailer, you build the frame, the box itself, the axles and the wheels, assemble, and you put back together. And end of it, you will have a design like that. You put the decals, water slide decals onto that. So it's a pretty impressive kit to me. Let's see one by one what is inside. I will start with the main part. Not last and least, because this motorcycle is also inside. It's a pre-assembled motorcycle. Pretty nice condition with stand. Oh, nice. So detailed. Already some decals on it. Track rubbers, as always. Looks standard Italeri track rubbers. The cabin, the Actros cabin, look to me similar like other Actros cabins. The only challenge is that the packaging, you can see banded and banded holder shape. Hope it's not causing issues when you assemble. Maybe better storage would require from now on. Elements, roof, spoiler elements, some interiors, the molding quality is pretty okay. Let's see the transparent elements. Always the difficult piece of each kit. How the transparent, okay or not okay. This is the most difficult to replicate if you have any issues with it. Glasses are crystal clear. Never seen any such transparent Italeri kit. So beautiful, transparent elements. No issues with it. It's first class. That's one of the best I have ever seen. For the wheels, standard Italeri rims. No question with it. Some mud guards. It's okay, the printing quality. the engine, the Mercedes engine, radiator, the details, molding, pretty much Italeri standard. Not see issue with it. This you should be able to find in other Italeri kits as well. So this kit is packaged, this Actros track, with this trailer, just to be clear. So they're using Italeri standard elements from other kits here. The 715B, for example, and 718 might exist in these kits alone. Let's see what is inside the trailer side. So impressive size of kit. We should make sure they're not breaking anything here. The first thing I have noticed that it has bigger tires. So that while the truck had this wide tire, this has more wider tire, the trailer tire. So that's the difference. And also the wheel, trailer wheel attached to it. These are the differences. You get the base frame in it. It reminds me the Italeri Revel trailers, rather. That's Italeri making probably. Those kits or Frigidator trailers, this type of kit. Especially this piece, if you know what I mean. The modding is okay. Detailed. The door panels. It's okay to me. Some elements of the trailer. These big elements which require you to assemble that. It's better to leave as it is now before it's assembled, so I'm not removing. These ones are identical, semi-identical. It's a huge kit. If you build it, you need to have enough space to it. Impressive kit. If you see the YouTube videos in the channel, I already built an Italeri trailer, a classic Italeri trailer, a container trailer, so it reminds me the same. Detailed kit, all elements here, related wheels, related structural connector elements. Not have any question about this kit's relevance. So all in all, this kit, I think it's a bucket list kit. You should have it. You should build it if you like the tracks, and especially the Actros, Mercedes, and also some connection to the motorsport with the motorbiking motorsport. You get 3 in 1 bucket. You get the trailer, you get the truck, you get also pre-assembled bike, which is nice in this shape. So in this scale shape, 1/24. It's already pre-assembled, so you don't need to bother with it. It's enough that you focus on the truck and trailer. The decal sheet's so nice, not see any issues with it. So recommending, if you find this on your or somebody else's stash or eBay, you should get this kit, build it. Thank you for following. Thank you for watching Modern Hackers. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have enjoyed.